Hello everyone, I hope you're doing fine. And today we are going to review the animals. So, here I have a very special friend, which is the lion. The lion is big or small? It is big. And he has brown hair. Bye, lion. Okay, now we have another special friend which goes like ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah. This is the monkey, and the monkey is also brown like the hair of the lion. Monkey, ooh, ah, ooh, ah. Bye, monkey. Bye bye. Now I have the with two long ears. It's the rabbit. The rabbit eats carrots. And he hops. Bye. Now I have a dinosaur. This dinosaur is yellow and black, and it goes like roar. Here we have a bull. The bull is brown and black. Bye. And now we have a very special octopus. The octopus has 8 tentacles. Bye-bye. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you soon. I love you. Bye.